The Japanese influence on Denver. Stop and predict how you think the Japanese affected Denver or changed Denver. Use your comprehension strategies to better understand this nonfiction text. Feel free to pause the video at any time to use your comprehension strategies. The Japanese. The United States went to war with Japan in 1941. There were a lot of Japanese Americans living in California at the time. People were afraid the Japanese Americans would try to help Japan win the war. Many of these Japanese Americans were brought to Colorado. They had to live in special camps. They lost their homes and businesses in California. This was a very hard time. After the war, many of the Japanese Americans decided to stay in Colorado. Many moved to the Denver area. Sakura Square has become a center for Japanese Americans in Denver. There are many little stores where you can buy special things from Japan. Each spring there is a big cherry blossom festival. The Tri-State Buddhist Temple is the center for Japanese culture in Denver. There are several kinds of Japanese American foods that many people enjoy eating. Sushi is a type of rice, usually made with vinegar. It is often served with raw fish. One of the most popular forms of raw fish is called sashimi. It is made with slices of octopus, tuna, and flounder. Tempura is another Japanese dish enjoyed by Americans. It is a piece of vegetables and fish that are dipped in batter and fried. Sukiyaki is a dish made from strips of beef, vegetables, noodles, and bean curd. It is cooked quickly in a sauce made from soybeans and sugar. These foods are sometimes fixed right at the table in Japanese restaurants in Denver. People like to see how quickly the food is cut and cooked. In classrooms across the country, boys and girls learn to write haiku poetry. This is a beautiful form of Japanese writing. The Japanese form of architecture, art, and flower arranging are just a few of the ways that the Japanese have added to the culture of Denver. I'm going to stop right there. This last part is a conclusion for this whole section. I'm going to read you this caption for this photograph. This picture, taken around 1916, shows a group of Japanese American women and children wearing kimonos. All right, I'm going to stop. Make sure you record your comprehension strategies.